But it's actually number 10.
You want that 10?
Yes, please. Maybe it's in the front.
Might be seen it.
Yeah, it's in the front. Number 10.
In the front what?
Yeah, in the by the hood.
Or in the car?
In the car, yeah, in the front of the car. Yes. So we want to put this there.
Car.
Thank you, bro. Okay, remove this little can you hand me the, there's gonna be one of those pliers,
Yeah, the long
and
needle.
the long one, yes please.
Car.
Thank you. And then we remove the little cap. Okay, easy. Now you want to put the end there, okay? In some cases you might have to remove the whole tire. Okay guys, so once you have this, you're gonna open the line. Okay. And then once you get this open, you should be able to bleed. You'll see now there's fluid coming out already. So we're gonna use our drain pan here, and we're gonna put all the fluid in this drain pan. Now I'm gonna use my computer This is not the most comfortable space right now, but it will do the job. You guys, with your car lifted like this, okay? Like that. And then you're gonna press next. Okay? Next. This will run for 40 seconds. Brake fluid will be pumped through the VSA module left front circuit to remove the trapped air. So you want to start from the farthest tire. You want to start from the back tires and then do the front tires. Next, let's see. So now it's working, the modulator. Alright, so test finish, okay? Let's try again. See, guys? So there's a lot of air in the line, so we have to do this a few times. Okay, let's try one more time. Okay, so we got some fluid out. Let's try one more time. There we go. Okay, so it says to check the fluid level and top it off. So we're gonna go back to our reservoir and make sure that our fluid level it's full. So okay, it's less, but we still have plenty. Okay, so we're gonna keep doing the bleeding again. One thing I wish it was continuous. So we're gonna do it again. It's pretty windy. Let's do it again. And I'm gonna do it one more time just to be safe. Okay, we're gonna close this line. Honestly, I think if you guys, you know, like once you're here, if you have a body that can do this, just have him do this. Have him press the brake pedal and you can bleed the brakes. I think it might be easier because this tool, let's see. Well, it does let you do the function with the tool, like the turning on with the ABS module. It doesn't do it continuously, so like it stops after a while. So let's see, let's do it again. There we go. Okay, so now there's air coming out. Yes. So that took me what, 4 times to bleed it until air bubbles came out. So let's do it again. I'm gonna do it one more time. I'm gonna bleed it one more time. Okay. Let's see now. Okay, yeah, doing it one more time. Alright, so yeah, that's about it for this side. we're good here. Now we're gonna jump on the next wheel.